Ladies and gentlemen, come be a part of history in the making. As we set forth on an extraordinary voyage to reset, reinvent, and reimagine the future with groundbreaking technologies. Introducing Innotech 23. Where the next generation of solutions awaits your exploration. Thermal solutions, critical power, DC power, and edge and IT infrastructure. Together, we will forge a path towards a more connected, efficient, and sustainable future. Embrace the convergence of innovation and technology. Thank you for joining us at the forefront of this exciting transformation. Vertiv, Architects of Continuity.